Hello, Akilah Wilson, and I am gearing down to the final spelling stage, which is the derivational, I'm saying that right, relation spelling stage. In this stage, kids have kind of like mastered all the other stages of understanding how words, all the way from understanding how words are formed, the different components of words like vowels, consonants, diagrams, all those things. And after this, narrowing down to just learning new words. So, an activity that really stood out to me that I really liked was the vocabulary notebook. In the vocabulary notebook, here are a couple of pointers that a student will need to take on when they're doing like words, when they're doing word sorts, like finding new words and stuff like that. So, I wrote down the key points of just how to collect words, how to understand their meaning, how to apply them in sentences, and then all in all, learning the words. So for the first part of the word source is to collect the words. This can happen when students are reading. They can mark difficult words they might not know. And then once they mark those words and they're finished reading, they come back and read around those words to draw context clues from the sentences around the word to see what the word really, to see, kind of get a gist of what the word is. Next, they can record this word in a sentence. Now, once they got the word and they kind of like draw the context clues of what it is, they need to record it in their notebooks, so their vocabulary notebooks, and also write the sentences in the passage. If the sentences from the passage, if the passage is too long, it's really good for the kids to get the students to get the gist of what the sentence is saying within the passage and write it down. Next, they need to look at the word parts. If they still might not know what the word is, it's very important that the students look at the parts of the words to try to get a kind of understanding of what the word is. So looking at prefixes, the suffixes, the base and the root words can really tie in and help the students kind of get an understanding of what the word is, because they're breaking it apart and understanding what different parts of the word is. Next, we need to record the related words. So recording the related words is to get the students to think about words that might be the same as the word that they're studying on and trying to figure out from the context clues and the stuff that they have already gathered from the word. Next and the final thing is to use a dictionary to get the key definition of what the word is and jot that down inside the vocabulary notes once they have. Once they do that, it's important. That'll be the final step to understanding what the word is, and hopefully by that time the student does know what the word is. Last final step is to review. Possibly it says in the thing to get 10 new words per week, but for me, I'll just say 5 to 10 words per week that the students need to apply these steps to. And after a while, they'll be able to build their vocabulary, learn new words, and learn ways to assess words to figure out their meaning if they might not know what the meaning is, or it might be a difficult word if they don't know. Thank you.